How to fix BMO Bank of Montreal app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name BMO and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now on this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed on your device. Find the app BMO. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache with the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted that app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your app store, search for the app BMO. Once app appears, download it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix BMO Bank of Montreal app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.